So where we're at in Indiana, we have developed a problem with the emerald ash borer. And I don't know if where you guys live, if this is an issue too, but here in Indiana, we're losing all of our ash trees. So I'm gonna show you this one right here. So this tree right here is an ash tree and it's dead. It's pretty much dead. That's why we've got an X on it here, because the loggers can take it if they want, because it's just going to die and fall over. But I'm gonna point up here, see if we can see it. But right up there you can see where this ash borer has just eaten away at this tree. They just destroy these trees. And they're not native to this part of Indiana. They've been brought in from other places. So when you're camping, and the campground says, do not bring outside wood. Use the wood that we have here, buy firewood here. Do not bring firewood from a different county, a different state, a different area. It's not just because they're trying to get your money. It's because there are species of bugs or insects that come from other areas that get introduced to a different area, and they kill out entire species of plants and trees. So emerald ash borer, we're gonna have no ash trees left on this property because of that bug. So know when you're camping and you see those signs and you're like, oh, it's so annoying, I have all this firewood left from my last place. There's a reason for it, and that's one of the reasons for it.
She's so excited.
Do you think you can do this?
Oh yeah.
Is it time? Is it time that you finally get to go see the property? You have to be on your best behavior there, okay?
Tail. Look at this tail.
It's been so long since you even put a harness on.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I wish it was warmer as per usual. Okay, ready to go? Let's go.
Callie has not been on a leash for quite a while. She has been a free-range farm dog for months now. So because this property is new to us and it is 45 acres of what they call raw land, which means there's no structures, no living structures on the property. One thing that we've talked about over the last few days was that this doesn't feel personalized to us at all. So one thing that we want to do today is to just kind of carve out a small area for us to be able to gather, maybe have a small fire. So one thing that we'd like to do over the next few days maybe is to clear out a spot for everybody to be able to hang out.
I think we should do today, huh?
Eat chips!
Eat chips! Just chips? Uh-oh, Logan's sliding off. Where are you going?
We kind of finished up this little fire pit area. I brought these logs over to give us some seats.
That's cool.
What do you think about that?
A little tall. That'll be good for our family with bad hips and knees. A lot of the days over at the property are going to be just working on invasives.
Yeah.
Not that exciting of stuff, but it needs done, and so it's just going to be a long process.
Yeah, so we're going to be working on invasives some more today and doing grapevines, but it's Steph's favorite time of the year, It is mushroom season here in Indiana, and if you guys have seen our previous videos, Steph is a big mushroom fan. Wild mushrooms here in Indiana, morels, so we're gonna be looking for morels while we do grapevines a little bit today. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on today.
So if you're not from an area that has morel mushrooms, you might be like, what are they talking about? Why is she so into mushrooms? We've traveled all over the country. I went to college out of state, and the first time I told like some people about like, oh yeah, I love mushroom honey, they looked at me like I had 3 heads. So do you have morels where you're at? And if so, or if not, what part of the country are you in?
I'm ready. You ready?
Ready?
All right.
The kids are here too, so I'm excited. It's always a little chaotic when the kids are here, so.
Just embrace the chaos.
Yeah, but we did leave Callie at home because we have to have like a limit on the chaos. So today she's at home.
Look at the streets lit up with us. Dressed up so fancy just because.
Hey, are you Moana? You look like Moana.
All
right, break's over.
What?
Get back to work. Break's over.
Did you find any mushrooms?
No.
No.
Well, we got the bag ready.
Okay.
We're ready to go.
But wonderful. Yes, these are.
Hey! Not that that's that good of a thing, but I was just about to say the mushroom hunting trip has turned into more of a grapevine hunting trip, which is good, it needs done. But literally turned on the camera to tell you guys that, and Mike said the battery's dead, so.
All right, we
All
go
right.
eat.
We did actually pack a lunch this time. We're really bad about coming over to the property and working for hours and then being like, we have
I'm good.
we have no food or drink. So we brought some drinks and food, and we're gonna do lunch and a nap too.
Sure.
Mike is determined to find the perfect picnic spot. So that's what we're doing now. Good night. Look at those grapevines. Those are trees in themselves. Goodness me. Where did we get this one from?
Your mom.
Okay. I thought it was an AMN one.
I gave her the Just have
It's kind of almost a phone box.